Hey YouTube, the Code Creeper here, and today's video I am going to show you how to get coloured name tags in Minecraft Xbox 360. And what I mean by coloured name tags is, hang on a minute, let me just get one out of the creative inventory, this. And how basically you can get coloured ones. As you can see, this one is green, this one is blue, this one's just like a spazzing out game tag, this one's red, and this one's orange. So in this video I'll show you how to get these name tags without modding. You can do this just on a normal 360 console without modding or anything. The only trouble is you have to get this weird symbol. If you can see that weird symbol and then a letter, then a number 1, and then yeah, the number represents the colour, and you need the symbol to actually make it. But as I'll quickly show you here, if I put a name tag in here and go to name it, as you can see, you can't see that symbol anywhere on here. So on this video I'm going to show you how to get that symbol and how to get coloured name tags in 360 without any mods. So yeah, the only trouble is this thing doesn't work with coloured signs, coloured lettering on signs. On Xbox One you can do this without all this effort that I'm going to show you. But the first thing you need to do is go onto the Xbox dashboard. So I'll meet you when I'm on the Xbox dashboard. So now you're on the Xbox dashboard, what you need to do, you'll be here at home. What you need to do is scroll across to System, click on System, then you click on Console Settings, and then Language and Locale, and then Language, and then you scroll down until you get to the bottom Chinese one there. Then you click on that, and yes, your console will all be in Chinese, but I'll show you how to get back at the end of the video, because it's kind of annoying that you have to do this, but yeah, everything else is English, and then that was Chinese. And anyway, I will see you back on the game. So now you're back on the game, what you need to do is get yourself a name tag or a stack of name tags. I'd recommend getting a stack of name tags, just because when you turn your language back to English, you won't be able to get the coloured name tags again. So if you give yourself a stack, then you'll always have this symbol that I'm about to show you. So if you just give yourself a stack of name tags and wait for this to load, as you can see, if I go across to here, there's this weird symbol here. It's next to the triangle, and this weird symbol basically allows you to have coloured name tags. But as you can see, everything is in Chinese like this across here. But yeah, I will show you how to change that back at the end of the video, and all the colour numbers will be in the description. So 6 is orange, so and I think 1 is blue. So I will think of just a random name, and yeah, I'll have the first letter orange. So I'll name this name tag Bob, just because why not? So put a capital B. And then basically, if you want to, I'll just show you this to start off with. Just name a name tag Bob with that weird symbol and a letter and a number 6. I keep saying letter instead of number. And then actually I'll get another cow spawn egg or pig. You can do it on any spawn egg. And you can even name the spawn egg. And as you can see, this pig is named Bob with an orange writing. If you want the letters to be all different colours, then you can do this, which it's more time consuming to do, but it does give quite a good effect off. And so basically what you do, you do the first letter, you do the symbol, then the number what you want, which represents the colour, and then the letter. Then you do another symbol, and say I wanted green, which is 2, and then I'll put a letter O, and then say I wanted red, which is 4, which first I'll have to get the symbol. Red, which is 4, and then a letter B. As you can see, it looks really messed up, but there's the first letter B, and the second letter O, then and then the third letter B. And so if I get this, it looks a bit weird. But if I name if I just name this pig here, that, you can see the first letter is orange, the second letter is green, and the third letter is red. So yeah, that is a video on how to change the colour of name tags without modding on 360. Xbox One is a lot easier to do this. That symbol is in the English language anyway, and the English thing anyway. I would show how to do it on Xbox One, but I haven't got one, so I can't do a tutorial on that. And yeah, I will just see you in a mo, and I'll show you how to change your language back. Because obviously it will be quite annoying if you're going to just see everything in Chinese all the time. So yeah, I'll see you back on the Xbox dashboard. Right, some of you probably don't need this, but just in case you do need this, because some people might have just remembered how to change the language back from the first step of changing it to Chinese. So the last way if you want to change your language back is you scroll across to settings again, system. It's the top one, and then it's the third one down. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. Then it's the top option here, and as you can see all the languages perfect here. And just change it back to English. So now your console should all be in English again. If I just wait for it to load back up, there we go, all in English, and everything's in English on here as well again. As before, it was all in Chinese or Japanese or whatever. But that is how you get coloured name tags without modding in 360. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and thanks for watching.